Free audio library.
Viewers and subscribers, once again, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Obi. So in this video, I'm simply going to show you how you can bond two internet together in the Mikrotik router board. To show you how you can simply add two internet together, how you can bond two one together in the Mikrotik router board. So first, let's log in and then we'll simply do that. Okay. Alright, so when we open our address list here from the IP side, we only have one IP address. We only have one network. The next thing is to add bond two Ethernet into the router board. So let's see if we can achieve what I'm saying. So first of all, let's come to DHCP client. Okay, so let's add. So in this case, I'm using my WLAN as one of my source of internet. Okay, all right. The next one, I'm going to use Ether1 as my source of internet as well. Okay, now I have my internet running in here. I have my internet running in here. Okay, good. But we don't want confusions to happen. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to make one. We are going to change the default route of one of. Okay, so we simply need to change the route of both internet coming in. So in this case, I'm changing this to, okay, so this one should be the route 2, so that there is no confusion happening here. Okay. Bingo, I have my internet working now. And I can do whatever I want to do in this case. It's simple as this. So basically, this is how you can integrate two internet into the Mikrotik router. Very simple. Just add these two internet into the router board and you are good to go. Thank you for watching this. Before we proceed, let me show you the result of what I just did. Okay, so let's come to route. So if we come to route, this is where you can see details of the configuration I just did. So the distance route of the second internet is a distance of 2, and the first one is the distance of 1. Okay, so the first one is the master, the second one is the slave. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share, and please expect more videos coming up. Thank you.
Free audio library.